today I'm going to give you a quick introduction into Unreal Engine 4. First of all, you go to your internet browser, go to unrealengine.com, get Unreal, you sign up and you download Unreal Engine. When you have it downloaded, you open it up, you sign in. When you sign in, it opens the menu. Here we have the marketplace where you can download extra content, put into your game. After you download it, you can find it in the library in your vault. Just go add to project. When you create projects, you can find them here. Then when you're ready, launch engine. First time you launch the engine, you will see the Unreal project browser. From here you can create a new project or load an existing one. There's two different types of code, Blueprint or C++, and a variety of different genre templates to choose from. I'm going to choose third person. These are the recommended settings, which you can change at any time in project settings. And now just name your project and click create. When you click create project, the Unreal Engine opens up. I'm just going to go through the default user interface. First of all, we have the main menu bar up here. This is File, Edit, Window and Help. In File, you can save what you're working on, create a new project, open an existing project, import and export. In Edit, you have undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, duplicate. You also can find edit preference and project settings, which you can change at any time. It's just good to know they're there. In Window, this is where you can show or hide parts of the interface that aren't shown by default. In Help, you can find a direct link to documentation and tutorials to help you get started. Next, I'll go to the modes panel. That's this panel here. I'll just modes panel. So we have place mode. It's where you can find your VSPs and your volumes. Next you have paint. This is where you can paint your landscape and static meshes that you've placed there. Landscape. This is where you can create your landscape first of all. Next we have foliage. This is where when you bring in foliage you can edit it here. Next we have geometry editing where you can edit anything in your level. Now we have the content browser, which is this panel here, and it allows you access to any generated content and special content like materials and blueprints you may have created. You can find your meshes and the starter content that we included is found here in this folder, and you can create your own folders for meshes you bring in. Next, we go to the toolbar. Quick and easy one-click access to common tasks that you will be performing. You have your save button. You can generally just hit Control and S on your keyboard. Then you have the content, which if you don't have a content browser already opened, you can open one. There's Marketplace, and your settings here. You can just change them as you go along, and there's access to your blueprint. You can code blueprints from here. Next we have Matinee. You can add cutscenes to your game. Next you have build, so you can click build and it checks the lighting for you, make sure it is all working. Next you have to test your level, you click play and you jump into level, and to escape To escape, you can press escape on your keyboard or eject up there at the top. Next we have the scene outliner up here. This is where you can see everything that's on your level. Next we have the details panel. This shows all the details that can be edited on a selected item. In the middle of your screen you have your 3D viewport where you can see your level. I'll just show you how to navigate around it. If you hold down the left click on your mouse and drag up, you can go forward, and drag down, you can go backwards. And the side you can just look around. The right click you can just look side, up and down. And that's mouse navigation. Next you can use the Wsad keys, and you have to hold down the right click on your mouse and go. W is straight forward, and Q is straight down, E is straight up, A is straight left, D is straight right, S is backwards, C is zoom in, and Z is zoom out. There's also Maya style navigation, where if you click on an object, you can Alt and left click on the mouse and look around that object. See, it's just focusing on that static mesh there. That's handy when you're editing. That's all. Thank you for watching.